project, you'll create a color synthesizer circuit. The project kit includes everything you need, including the printed circuit board, the 3 potentiometers, transistors, resistors, the red LED, and the multicolor RGB LED, plus the battery holder. Now, you'll need 3 AA batteries. Those are not included. But with the synthesizer, you'll be able to turn the potentiometers to increase or decrease the brightness of the red, the green, and the blue component of the RGB LED. And by doing so, you can create virtually any color you want. As I said, the project kit includes everything you need to assemble this circuit, except the batteries and the soldering iron. You'll also learn how the circuit works, and you'll learn something about the way that we perceive different colors. All right, you ready to get started? Let's go.